Hey everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to write a professional job application letter for a driver position. Now, applying for a job can feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to writing a strong and convincing application letter. But don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to structure your letter, what details to include, and how to make a great impression on the hiring manager. We'll go step by step through a well-written sample letter, breaking down each part so you understand what to write and why. If you're applying for a driver position, whether it's for a transport company, a delivery service, or even a private driver job, this guide will help you craft the perfect letter. Let's get started. Step 1. Your contact information. At the top of the letter, you should always include your personal details. This makes it easy for the employer to identify you and contact you for an interview. Here's how it looks in our sample letter. Michael Carter, 2857 Oak Ridge Drive, Dallas, Texas, 75204. Email, michael.carter@email.com. Phone, 214-555-6721. Let's break this down. Start with your full name so the employer knows who is applying. Include your full mailing address. This is especially important if the job requires drivers to be based in a specific location. Add your email address. Make sure it's professional, ideally just your name or initials. Avoid casual or unprofessional emails like cooldude123@email.com! Finally, include your phone number so they can call you for an interview. These details should always be placed at the top of the letter for easy reference. Step 2. The date of the letter. The next thing you need to include is the date when you're sending the application. In this example, it's written as February 25th, 2025. The date is important because it tells the employer when you submitted your application. If a company receives many applications, they might prioritize the most recent ones. So always make sure to use the current date. Step 3. The employer's contact information. Next, you need to include the employer's details. This ensures that your letter is directed to the right person or department. In this example, we have Hiring Manager, Velocity Transport Services, 1632 Meadowbrook Lane, Dallas, Texas, 75207. Let's go through this step by step. The first line should mention who the letter is for. If you know the hiring manager's name, use it. Otherwise, hiring manager is a safe option. The next line is the company name. This ensures your letter is properly directed. Then, include the company's full address, just like you would on a formal letter. By including this section, you're showing professionalism and making sure your letter reaches the right person. Step 4. The subject line, stating the purpose of your letter. Adding a subject line helps make it immediately clear what your letter is about. Here, it's written as Subject, Application for Driver Position. This is short, clear, and direct to the point. When writing your own application letter, always make sure the subject line includes the position you're applying for. If needed, a reference number. Some companies provide this in job listings. For example, if the job posting had a reference code, you could write Application for Driver Position, Ref. TXD1234. This small detail helps HR departments quickly sort applications, ensuring yours gets noticed. Step 5. The salutation, addressing the hiring manager. Now, let's move to the greeting. In our letter, we say, Dear Hiring Manager. This is a professional and respectful way to start. If you know the name of the hiring manager, use it. For example, Dear Mr. Johnson. But if you don't know the name, Dear Hiring Manager is a good alternative. Avoid using generic greetings like to whom it may concern. They sound impersonal. Step 6. The opening paragraph, introducing yourself and your experience. The first paragraph is where you introduce yourself and state your purpose. Our example says, I am writing to apply for the driver position at Velocity Transport Services. With over 6 years of experience in professional driving, I have developed a strong track record of ensuring timely deliveries, maintaining vehicle safety, and providing excellent customer service. My clean driving record and extensive knowledge of local and interstate routes make me a strong candidate for this role. Let's break it down. The first sentence clearly states your intention, that you're applying for the driver position at the company. Then it highlights relevant experience, in this case, 6 years of professional driving. The paragraph also mentions key skills like timely deliveries, vehicle safety, and customer service. Lastly, it emphasizes a clean driving record and knowledge of routes, both very important for a driver position. When writing your own letter, make sure to tailor this section to your experience and highlight key strengths. Step 7. The second paragraph, detailing your previous job and skills. The second paragraph provides more details about your experience. In my previous role at Lone Star Freight Movers, I managed deliveries across multiple states while adhering to strict schedules and transportation safety regulations. I am proficient in vehicle maintenance, GPS navigation, and handling logistics paperwork. My ability to work efficiently under pressure and meet deadlines has consistently contributed to operational success. This paragraph adds depth by mentioning the previous employer and what kind of deliveries were handled, highlighting key driving-related skills like vehicle maintenance, GPS use, and logistics paperwork, emphasizing the ability to work under pressure and meet deadlines, critical for transport jobs. When writing your own application, think about specific achievements or challenges you've overcome in your previous driving job. Step 8. The closing paragraph, expressing interest and requesting an interview. Now it's time to wrap up the letter in a strong and confident way. I'm eager to bring my skills and dedication to Velocity Transport Services and would appreciate the opportunity to discuss my qualifications further. Please feel free to contact me at 214-555-6721 or michael.carter@email.com to arrange an interview at your convenience. This paragraph does 3 important things: expresses enthusiasm for the job, encourages the employer to take action by scheduling an interview, and provides contact information again for easy follow-up. When writing your own closing paragraph, keep it polite, professional, and confident. Step 9. The closing and signature. Finally, we end the letter with, "Sincerely, Michael Carter." Sincerely is the best way to sign off professionally. Other good options include, "Best regards, respectfully." Then, sign your name to make it official. And that's how you write a strong, professional driver job application letter. I hope this breakdown makes it easier for you to write your own letter. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with any questions. Thanks for watching Writing Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy writing!